The governor of Ruweng State, Machar, discussed with non-governmental organizations operating in the state issues of cooperation. Speaking to SSBC, Governor Machar said the meeting discussed challenges facing internally displaced persons in the states.
We discussed the issue of random cutting of trees and discussed also the 54,000 refugees who are in Ida and are refusing to go to new locations near Jamjang County, discuss all these issues. We cover a lot of issues. Also, we talk about the free movement of refugees from their respective camps to town. Finally, we concluded we are going to form a committee to regulate their movement from time to time.
This year we have visited the refugee camps. We would like to thank the governor because he's hosting a big number of refugees, about 70 to 80,000 in Ruweng State, who are in Ida, in Ajwangtok, and in Pamir camp. Pamir camp is newly established with the support of the UNHCR, which is a very good place where refugees can stay comfortable, to maintain civilian character of the camp, and then to be able to cultivate and to get their livelihood.
UNHCR is here to support the government of South Sudan and the Ruweng State in addressing the issues of the refugees in its territory.
وفي ولاية روينغ ثمن حاكم الولاية طيب مشار المجهودات التي تبذلها منظمات الأمم المتحدة في تقديم الخدمات للمواطنين في الولاية. جاء ذلك لدى افتتاح مدرسة الشهيد جيل كور أكوك لمرحلة الأساس بمقاطعة جامجانغ وسط حضور كبير من المنظمات العالمية العاملة بالولاية. الجدير بالذكر أن التشييد لمدرسة الشهيد جيل كور تم بدعم من المجتمع المحلي.
All the words have been mentioned by those who have talked before me, and only thing that I have to repeat is to say thanks to the UNHCR. Today is a great day. Why is it great day? It is great day because the people, white people you can see here, they are here, they have left their land, and they are here with us. It is because they are educated. When we talk long the man dun John David of the Shoya, then you know, come to know Pesa, Yamokan, Kayabok, Bacon, Banting in there. Hello, Nagagan, the Yik, well, it is. And you have also heard it before from John Darby, the importance of education, because he is here as the eye of the government of South Sudan. He has come here to witness whether this school has been built or not. For our children who are here. I'm sure there is somebody who said here, the head of the community, this is the light. School is the light. These children, tomorrow, they will be the governors, they will be the teachers, they will be the ministers, the youth, the children. I welcome you all today to Gieel Kur Primary School, which is the new name that has been given by the community, and I have agreed with it as the Commissioner of Jamjang County. Elele Jangaben, Banga Kuma, Randi UN.